my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. Again, thank you so much for being here, for watching the videos. I do truly appreciate it. If you're new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join us. And please do leave a comment. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. But as you can see from the description, we have one of the Target holiday beauty boxes. And this one is obviously a little bit more. Their normal monthly beauty box is like $7. This one was $9.99, and they did have 4 other options that were hair related. Like one was a hairspray, one was dry shampoo, just different stuff. And most of those were $14.99. I do know the dry shampoo box was like $8.99, and then they also had like a sheet mask type box, and that I believe was also $14.99. Since I get Face3, I didn't pick that one up, and then all the hair products, I'm like, I really don't need that. So I just went with the actual beauty box, and like I said, this was $9.99, but it is valued at over $24. So that's a good deal. I will make sure to put a link down below. I'm not sure if they're still actually going to have like just regular November beauty boxes, but if they do, I will let you guys know. So we're gonna open this up and see what all is in here. It came today. UPS actually just delivered it. And excuse my hair, it's a really nasty, chilly, misty, rainy day here. And I had a few errands to run, so my hair is a hot mess. But this made me happy when this came. We're all entitled to a bad hair day here and there. So, all right, we've got the plastic off, and let's open her up. Oh, okay, so it all comes out like this. And it is 5 products, so let's take a look. Alright, the first one I'm pulling out is by Soap & Glory. It is a face soap, vitamin C facial wash, 3-in-1 daily detox. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. And that's a good size. That's a really good size. So we got some face wash. Can never have too much of that. And then I see another product by Soap & Glory. So let's see. This is the Flake Away Body Polish. It says, it might be fine if her friends are flaky, but a lady's legs should never be. So here is that. Oh, it smells really good, but it looks, I guess I was kind of expecting like a whipped body butter or something. Let's see. Okay, so you use this in the shower. Massage Flake Away on a damp skin, circular motions, and rinse well. Okay. Awesome. I actually like that better because I've got so much like cream and moisturizers that's actually awesome. Alright, and we have 2 products from number 7. I'll just go ahead and take all of these out of here to make it easier. And the first one is the Airbrush Away Primer. And I think that's in a good size. To get, you know, you'll know if you like it with that size. And then we also have from number 7, Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum, suitable for sensitive skin. For best results, use morning and evening. Okay, so it's a little serum. So you guys can see it. All right, my hands are shaking. So again, that's, you know, you should maybe be able to tell if you like it with that size. And then we have from Sleek Makeup. I do not have any products from this company. This is an eyeshadow palette. It's When the Sun Goes Down. So this is it in the packaging. Let's see, it's taped up, so let me open it. This is a really tiny little palette. It's so cute. Well, if I can get it open, I'm going to show you guys. I mean, just with those 4 products and knowing that this is a little palette, I definitely think it's worth $9.99. I'm not sure if I said that's what this one was. So let's see. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is like the cutest little palette ever. I'm serious. I love the colors. Try not to blind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 12 shades and only 2 of them are matte, which you guys know is great for me. I love the shimmer shades. But you guys, how adorable is this little palette? It is so, so cute. Like just beyond cute. And they're very shimmery and pretty, and yeah. It has a big mirror here, but I didn't want to blind you guys. So, I know I already said that. That is the cutest little palette. So, again, this is from Sleek Makeup. So we have the little palette. We have the serum from number 7. We have the Airbrush Away Primer from number 7. The Flake Away Body Polish from Soap & Glory. And also Soap & Glory, we have the Vitamin C Facial Wash. So like I said, I definitely think for $9.99 that this was definitely worth it. I'm very happy I picked this up. And like I said, I will make sure that because I keep an eye out on the Target beauty boxes, if they come out with the normal monthly $7 box, I will definitely be picking one up and doing a review for you guys. So let me know in the comments what you guys thought. Like I said, this was the holiday beauty box for Target. They do have other options, like I said, for hair. And then there's multiple ones for hair, and then the one for the face mask. So kind of, you know, they make great gifts, and because they have the beauty, hair, and then basically with the skincare, you're kind of covered. So there's one for everybody. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk with you guys soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.